A 1 minus cos theta. You have to find dy by dx. How will you solve this type of problem? If x is equal to a theta plus sin theta, y equals to a 1 minus cos theta, then you have to find dy by dx. I mean differentiation of y with respect to x. So how will you find it? From this relation, okay, I am doing first, then I will ask from you. So dy by d theta you take first, and then d theta by dx. D theta by dx. See, d theta will cancel out. So you are getting finally dy by dx. You are getting dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta into d theta by dx. Now, how will you find dy by d theta? From this relation you can find, since y equals to a 1 minus cos theta. So what is dy by d theta? Okay, then this a will be treated as constant. Constant into differentiate this term in which theta is involved. So differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of cos theta. I told you in the previous lecture, cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. Yeah, close it by a bracket. And then a, and this is 0 plus sin theta, that is sin theta only, a sin theta. This way you have derived the relation dy by d theta. Now from relation 1 you can find d theta by dx. So relation 1 is dx is equal to a theta plus cos sin theta, theta plus sin theta. This is x only. X equals to a theta plus sin theta. So what is dx by d theta? Okay, differentiate x with respect to theta. So again a constant, and then differentiate theta plus sin theta. Differentiation of theta alone is 1 plus differentiation of sin theta is simply cos theta. So if you want to find d theta by dx, then take the reciprocal. So d theta by dx is 1 by a into 1 plus cos theta. And then putting the value of dy by d theta and d theta by dx in this equation, that is equation 1. So suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. So with the help of 2 and 3, equation 1 can be written as. So with the help of equation 2 and 3, equation 1 can be written as. So equation 1 is dy by dx, which is dy by d theta. Okay, take it from equation 2, which is a sin theta only. So write a sin theta into, then d theta by dx is a 1 by a into 1 plus cos theta. Then you can cancel a from numerator and denominator, and finally you are getting sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this way you can find dy by dx. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Further simplification can also result. Say sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Because sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And then 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. Now you can cancel this 2 with this 2 and then cos theta by 2, then square term will cancel out, and finally you are getting sin theta by 2 whole divided by cos theta by 2. So it's how much? Sin by cos 10. So it's tan theta by 2. Final result is tan theta by 2. Take the snapshot. Yeah? Someone can take the snapshot? Taken. Okay. 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 Then the next problem. Should I have the board? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Then question number 2. Sometimes the question is x is equal to a t cube and y is equal to b t square. And then you have to find dy by dx. Okay, again using the same trick. That is dy by dx is, now introduce t dt into dt by dx. Same thing, dt will cancel out, then again you are finding dy by dx. So how will you find dy by dt? By differentiating equation 2. This is equation 1. Okay. So from second relation, y is equal to bt square. To a t by b. Okay, let me see. Dy by dx, dy by dt. So from relation 2, which is y is equal to bt square, then y is equal to bt square. So what is dy by dt? Okay, b is a constant. Then differentiate t square, which is 2t2 minus 1, nxn minus 1. So the power n is 2, 2t2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, need not to write. And then this is simply 2bt. Okay, consider it as equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1, master equation. This is equation 2. And equation 3 from this relation, x is equal to at cube. Now find dx by dt. So dx by dt in the same way, a differentiate t cube, which is 3t square, 3 minus 1, 2, 3t square. So then what is dt by dx? Dt by dx is 1 by 3at square, equation 3. With the help of 2 and 3, equation 1 can be written as. Now come to this side. Okay, I need not to rub the board of this portion. You just write it again in your copy. Then dy by dx is, so dy by dt, take it from equation 2. Dy by dt is 2bt, right? 2bt into, what is dt by dx? Now dt by dx is 1 by 3at square. You have to put dt by dx. So which is 1 by 3at square. 3at square. You just cancel t, 1t, then it is 2b by 3at. It's dy by dx is the final result. 2b by 3at. Yeah? Take the snapshot. I will solve some other question. This is question number 2. Okay. Now question number 3. Get ready. Taken snapshot. Yeah, taken. So now the question number 3 is, this will enhance your understanding. This is a type of higher mathematics. You have not studied in class 10 standard, a little bit advanced mathematics. So now the next problem is, it is what easy from 10. From 10 standard. Okay, then it is fine. It's a good symbol. So x is equal to a cos theta and then y equals to b sin theta. Now I need to find dy by dx. dy by dx. So it is easy. Now on the same way you can find dy by dx is how much? It is dy by d theta. See, theta is introduced into d theta by dx. Okay, how will you find dy by d theta? Using equation 2. So the second equation is b sin theta. Y is b sin theta. So tell me what is dy by d theta. So b constant. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta only. Say this is equation 2, this is equation 1. And then for first part, I mean x equals to a cos theta. So tell me what is dx by d theta. It is a, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus a. So what is d theta by dx? D theta by dx is reciprocal of this one. So 1 by minus a sin theta. You can put minus in the numerator also. This is equation 3. Again, we are not rubbing this part because we are using this portion again and again. We just rub this portion only. Okay. Then what is dy by dx? Using equation 1, dy by d theta. dy by d theta is b cos theta. So let me write b cos theta. And then into d theta by dx. D theta by dx is minus 1 by a sin theta. So this is minus 1 by a sin theta. See, this is minus b by a. Cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. Is the final result. Minus b by a cot theta. Written? Okay? Should I move? Take the snapshot. Take it. Okay. Now, question number 4. So now we are finding, I am giving you a relation, number 4, x is equal to, so 2t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2. If x is equal to 2t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2, where x is measured in meter, x is measured in the unit meter and t in second. Okay. Now the question is, you have to find the position, of the particle, or I may write find the position, velocity and acceleration. Position, velocity and acceleration of the particle at t is equal to something like 2 seconds. You have to find the position, you have to find the velocity, I mean instantaneous velocity, and then instantaneous acceleration at t is equal to 2 seconds. This is the question. So to find position of the particle, you just see the relation between position and time. It is 2t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2. So just put t at t is equal to 2 seconds. So x at t is equal to 2 seconds, 2. Now take t is equal to 2 cube minus 3, t is 2 square plus 2, t is 2 plus 2. So this is 8 to the 16 minus 3 into 4 plus 4 plus 2. So 16 minus 12, 4 plus 4 plus 2. It's how much? 10 meter. 10 meter. So x at the end of 2 seconds, position of the particle at the end of 2 seconds is 10 meter. Now to find instantaneous velocity, v, which is dx by dt, a rate of change of displacement. So dx by dt is, so d by dt of whatever x is there, 2t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2. Okay, differentiate it. It's 2. Differentiation of t cube is 3t square minus 3. Differentiation of t square is 2t plus 2. Differentiation of t is 1 plus 2 alone is constant. So it is 0. So it's 6t square minus 6t plus 2. Now velocity is time dependent. So at t is equal to 2 seconds, that is velocity at the end of 2 seconds is equal to 6 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 2. It's how much? 4, 24 minus 12 plus 2. So 26 minus 12. It's how much? 14 meter per second. Now to find acceleration, you have to differentiate velocity. So then acceleration A is dv by dt, rate of change of velocity. So d by dt of whatever is the v, so v you have calculated, it's 60 square minus 60 plus 2. So this is 6. Differentiation of t square is 2t minus 6. Differentiation of t is 1 and 2, no t is there, so 2 is supposed to be constant, 0. So now it is 12t minus 6. Acceleration is not constant, rather it's time dependent. So at t is equal to 2 second, acceleration is equal to 12 into 2 minus 6. It's how much? 24 minus 6. So 18 meter per second square is the acceleration. So this is the use of calculus mathematics. If relation between x and t is given to you, you can find position, displacement of the particle, you can find instantaneous velocity, you can find instantaneous acceleration. The one thing is very much clear, that acceleration is not constant. At different time interval, the acceleration will be different. So it is not a uniformly accelerated motion. Not a case of uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, take the snapshot. Okay, take the snapshot. Taken. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Five is, now moving towards, if theta is equal to t square by 20 plus t by 5. Theta is the angular displacement and t the time. Theta depends upon t. You have to find the angular velocity, which is omega, and omega is defined as d theta by dt. D theta by dt. So what should be the unit of omega? Radian per second. Like normal linear velocity is dx by dt, angular velocity is angular displacement in a small time interval dt, d theta by dt. So now you have to differentiate this one, d by dt of theta t square by 20 plus t by 5. Just differentiate it. So this is 1 by 20, take it as common, and then differentiate t square, which is 2t plus 1 by 5, d by dt of t is 1. So this is 1 by 10 t plus 1 by 5 omega. Now you have to find omega. Suppose at t is equal to 4 seconds. So find omega angular velocity at t is equal to 4 seconds. So then omega at the end of 4 seconds is 1 by t into 4 plus 1 by 5. So it's 0.4 plus 0.2. So it's how much? 0.6 radian per second is the unit. Radian per second is the value of omega. Angular velocity. Angle subtended at the center of circle per second. That velocity is called angular velocity. Suppose area is increasing. Area depends on time, and area A equals to 5t square plus 4t plus 8. You have to find the rate of increase of area, that is dA by dt, at t is equal to 5 seconds. So what was its rate of increase of area at t is equal to 5 seconds? If you keep on heating a metallic disc, what will happen? Area of the disc keep on increasing. So what is the rate of increase of area at t is equal to 5 seconds? How will you find that rate? If you know the area depends upon time, so area equation is given to you, area A is equal to 5t square plus 4t plus 8. Then how to find dA by dt? So dA by dt is nothing but, these are simply the application of differential calculus. So d by dt of A is 5t square plus 4t plus 8. Now this is 5 into differentiation of t square is 2t plus 4 in differentiation of t is 1 plus 8 is 0. Now this is 10t plus 4. Now at t is equal to 5 seconds. Now how will you find dA by dt? Now dA by dt is 10 into, put the value of t, which is 5 plus 4. So it is 50 plus 4, 54 meter square per second is the increase in rate of increase of area, provided that A should be measured in meter and T should be measured in second. Here A is measured in meter square and time in second, T in second. This is the condition. Okay, take the snapshot. Take the snapshot. I will solve the other portion of the question. Take the snapshot. Okay. Sure. Should I rub the board? Yeah? Okay. Right. Take your own time. Acha, how many students are there? Total strength, just see. 44. Now you can take the snapshot, attendance. Attendance, get ready for the attendance. Okay, take the attendance. Taken? Done. Attendance, have you taken the attendance also? Google Meet, attendance. Someone is? Okay. So including myself it is 44. 45. Okay, so 44 students are there. Okay. 7, still 7 in absent. I don't know what is the reason behind it. So next question is, now moving towards the integration part. Integration. The reverse process of differentiation is called integration. Integrate hona. I mean the reverse of differentiation. Differentiation means a part, and integration means if you join all this part, you will get a whole big thing. That is called integration. So, integration, integration. Actually, integration and summation, two terms are there. And the meaning of integration and summation is to add up. Something adding, you have to add. But when you add the things which are similar in nature, same type, then you have to use integration. And if you are adding the things which are discrete, then you use the symbol summation. This is the basic difference between integration and summation. Now we are studying integration. So integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Differentiation is called integration. Integration. If I ask you what is the integration of a d by dx of x raised to n plus 1, what will be your answer? D by dx. D by dx of xn is n x n minus 1. So what is d by dx of x raised to n plus 1? Okay, instead of n we have taken n plus 1. So nothing will happen. Then you write it like this: n plus 1 x n plus 1 minus 1 n x n minus 1. It's simple formula. So then this is n plus 1 and then 1 will cancel out. This is xn. Now dx can be transferred to this side, and this 1 by n plus 1, and here it is xn dx, and this side it is xn plus 1. Xn plus 1. If you apply an integration sign, integration xn dx is nothing but xn plus 1 by n plus 1. So is it not the reverse of differentiation? If you differentiate this, you are getting this. If you integrate this, you are getting this one. That is this divided by n plus 1. Okay? So it is a reverse process of differentiation. As for example, an integration of x square dx. Then tell me, integration of, now n is 2 only. So it is x 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is x cube by 3. Integration of x half dx. Yeah. So this is x half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So it's x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So somehow you can write 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. Similarly, you can integrate x raised to minus 2 dx. That's how much? Integration. So this is x raised to minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So this is x raised to minus 1 by minus 1. So minus 1 by x. Written? Okay? Actually, we are doing indefinite integral. This is a type of indefinite integral. Why I am writing indefinite integral? Because integration of dx is x. But a constant should be attached here. Actually, integration of dx, if you differentiate x, you will get dx. Then if you integrate dx, you will get x only. X plus some constant c. Why I am writing this? Because d by dx of, if I ask you x plus 1, then your answer will be dx by dx 1, okay, plus this is 0. So that is 1 only. Okay, transfer this dx to right side, then d of x plus 1 is equal to dx. If you integrate, then integration dx is then this d will disappear. So you are getting x plus 1. So integration of dx is x plus 1 also. If you differentiate, suppose d by dx of what is x minus 2. So then dx by dx, dx by dx is 1 minus 2 d by dx of 2, which is a constant. So this part is 0. That is 1 only. Now transfer dx to this side. That is d of x minus 2 is nothing but 1 into dx. That is dx only. So integration dx is nothing but x minus 2. So since integration dx is x plus 0, here it is 0, you can add 0 also. Integration dx can also be written as x plus 1. Integration dx can also be written as x minus 2. Integration dx can also be written as x plus 100, x minus 500. So anything can be added, can be subtracted. But the result will remain same. Integration dx. So that's why in general, indefinite integral, integration dx is x plus some constant c. Some constant c, where c is the constant of integration. Where c is what? Constant of integration. Constant of integration. Integration. Constant of integration. Okay? So that's why we will study first indefinite integral, then definite integral. Okay, now we are dealing with the indefinite integral. So that's why a constant should be added in the last, like integration x square dx is x cubed by 3 plus some constant c. Similarly, x raised to half dx is something plus c, plus c. So some constant should be added. The value of constant should be found by using initial boundary condition. So that I will tell you later on. So just take the snapshot. I will do some other problem. Taken. Okay. Now we are dealing, remember, indefinite integral. So integration u plus v into dx. Remember, u is the function of x, v is the function of x. Means u depends upon x, v depends upon x. Then this is integration u dx plus integration v dx. So this integration sign should be multiplied with both the term. And dx, u dx, v dx. This is the second formula. Now integration, as for example, x square plus x raised to half dx. How will you integrate it? So based on this relation, this is integration x square dx plus integration x raised to half dx. So it's how much? X cube by 3. X square dx means x n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Plus x raised to half, which is x raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1. Plus some constant c also. Okay, I am writing c also. So this is x cube by 3 plus x raised to 3 by 2, and here it is 3 by 2. Should I write 2 by 3 plus some constant c? So based on the above formula, you can write it this way also. Now the second problem is, it is not always necessary that here plus sign will be there. Now sometimes minus will be also there. So integration, as for example, I am solving one problem, x minus cos x plus 1 by x dx. Okay. So actually integration dx by x, I will tell you later on, so I am not taking this part. No, because I have to tell first the integration of that is a trigonometrical function. So integration of trigonometrical function, I am writing the formula d by dx of sin x. It's how much? Differentiation of sin x. It's cos x. Okay. So dx, if you take this side, then d of sin x is how much? Cos x dx. And if you integrate it, this d will disappear. So integration cos x dx is nothing but sin x. Integration cos x dx is sin x. Remember, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. But integration of cos x is sin x only. Now similarly, d by dx of cos x, it's how much? Minus sin x. Okay, then transfer this dx to this side, that is d of cos x is equal to sin x dx. This minus can be written this side also. Now if you integrate it, so the formula becomes integration sin x dx, then this d will disappear, minus cos x plus some constant c. Some constant c is understood. It should be written everywhere. Plus c. So here c is the constant of integration. And for indefinite integral, this constant is required. Now, integration of d by dx of, you just tell me what is 10x. d by dx of 10x is sec square x. Now sec square x dx, bring it to the side. So this is sec square, okay, sec square x dx, and left side is d of 10x. So if you integrate it, integration sec square x dx is nothing but 10x plus some constant c. Now if I ask you what is d by dx of sec x, your answer will be sec x into 10x. Okay, if you bring dx to this side, then integration sec x 10x dx is equal to d of sec x integration. So this d will disappear, then it is sec x only. It's sec x only plus some constant c. Okay, take the snapshot. Taken. Take this. Taken. Okay. So the next part is integration of, time is there, it's only 12, 10, 12, 15, 17 I will leave. Okay, the next is d by dx of sec 10 cot x. Okay, tell me what is d by dx of cot x? d by dx of cot x, yeah, x. So what is the d of cot x only? d of cot x is minus cosec square x dx. So then this minus can be written to the side, and if you integrate this, then this d will have this. So integration of cosec square x dx is minus cot x only plus some constant c. Now what is d by dx of cosec x? Yeah, cosec x d by dx. What is cosec x? D minus cosec x into cot x. Am I right? Minus cosec x into cot x. Yeah. So d by dx, not dt, dx. Now dx is taken this side. So then d of cosec x is what? minus, that is cosec x cot x dx. And if you put an integration here, negative, and if you put integration, then cosec x cot x dx is negative of this one, that is negative cosec x plus some constant c. So these are the trigonometric function, integration of trigonometric function. Now, few problems. In integration d by dx of e raised to x. Okay, exponential. So d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x only. Now if you bring this dx to right side, then e raised to x dx integration, this is e raised to x only plus some constant c. If I want to write d by dx of e raised to nx, and maybe anything 2, 3, 4, any number, then it is differentiation is n e raised to nx. Okay, dx taken to this side. So d of e raised to nx, then 1 by n, and this side is e raised to nx dx. Dx is transferred to right side. Integrate it. So integrate e raised to nx dx is equal to 1 by n integration nx e raised to nx plus some constant c. Take the snapshot. Taken? Yeah? And the last problem is log x. d by dx of log x. You know this is 1 by x. If you transfer dx to this side, then d of log x is how much? That is dx by x. So integration dx by x is, then d will be abolished. It is log x only plus some constant c. And that's why the formula integration x raised to n plus 1 xn dx, which is x n plus 1 by n plus 1, is true except n is not equal to minus 1. So this is true in all the cases, but for n not equal to minus 1. The moment you put n is equal to minus 1, then it is x raised to minus 1 dx, which is dx by x. Now integration dx by x is log x only. And if you put here x is equal to minus 1 dx, then see what is happening. So x raised to minus 1 plus 1 by minus 1 plus 1. The result becomes x raised to 0 by 0. So that is 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is how much? Infinity. The result is coming infinity, which is meaningless. So that's why this formula is true except for n not equal to minus 1. Yani for not equal to n not equal to minus 1. Other value of n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, half power, 1 by 2 power, 4 by 5 power, it's all true. But for n is equal to minus 1, it is not true, because then dx integration dx by x is log x plus c. So today I have to